This is the Tiller family reunion. Charles Tiller.
That's right, from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This is my wife, Debbie.
Hi.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi, Doris. This is Ed Neal.
Hey, Eddie. All right.
And this is the sugar off the lone sister.
Yeah.
3 brothers and her.
Lone sister, is that what you said, or bone sister?
Oh, lonely sister.
Used to be a bone, but no more. Oh, goodness. Thank you. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth Tiller.
How old you are?
I'm
10. Awesome. And where'd y'all say you're from?
10.
Alabama.
Alabama.
All right.
I said, look, fellas,
Show him how to ride
y'all
it.
up to the airport.
Does he need any help?
This is Eric, my first cousin. His dad, Eric Tiller, was my mother's older brother. And that's Carl Neal. Say hi, Carl.
Hey there.
This is his house,
Yeah.
where we're having the big festivity.
Sorry Dan couldn't come.
Me too, me too. This is Aunt T's and Uncle Ed's son,
Right.
Carl, the father of Eddie over there.
Right.
Thank you.
Did you saw Nancy?
Yes, I'm going to get her next. That's my brother Lynn. Lynn,
But I tell you what, I'll talk to James.
say hello.
No. 81. Hey, Dad.
We could beat him in.
Give Papa a hug.
I saw him. I saw him.
Hey, you too.
Good looking. I'm just looking at my wife.
Say, you tried
That's
that last
Gene Neal. Gene Neal.
Look there, you're being filmed.
Hey, get back over here. Don't you run off from
How you
me.
doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
What's your name?
I'm Gene Neal.
Are you worth much?
No, ma'am, not worth a dime.
Where's your best half?
Sitting over there.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll have to find her in a minute. Love ya.
Same here. We'll see y'all later.
All right. Peggy, introduced. What's your name?
I'm Eric.
You're Eric. Eric the Fourth. Well, let's see you drive that thing. And this is Eric's wife, Peggy. And you're from Peggy? Where y'all from?
From Atlanta.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes.
That's our Georgia relatives.
Yes, with the Georgia people.
Yeah.
Marion's son.
Right.
That's the.
That's some more Georgia folks. Hey, Whitney. Whitney. Hey, girlfriend.
We'll get one of those.
Hey, Whitney. Hey. Hey, I see you. Yeah.
I'm Clem.
This is Chris and Nancy.
Okay.
Carl, his wife, and Doug and his kiddos. These are all Aunt Tina and Colette's grandchildren, Carl Neal's children and grandchildren. What's your baby's name, Doug? How old is she? 2 years old. I see. Hi, what's your name?
It's tiring in here or what is Doris?
Who's your mom and dad?
Who is it?
Who?
Ed and Lydia.
All right, thank you. Hello, Brandon. What are you doing? Show me your face. All right.
Let's go see that horse.
All right, go.
What?
Tell me who your parents are. Who's your mom and dad?
Oh, Carl and Sue Neal.
Carl and Sue Neal. And they're from Waxahachie, DeSoto, Midlothian. All right.
My parents are Charles and Debbie Tiller, and we came from Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
All right. And y'all are the snow cone people. Very good snow cones.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't act now.
This is Uncle Muzan. Tell us about yourself, Uncle Muzan.
This is it. Here we are.
You the youngest brother?
Yeah. Well, you had a part of it down.
That's my brother Roland. Eric Jr.
John's
The wrong angle here. Looks like I got black face.
This is a money man.
No,
You've been talking about us.
we may have to put a bigger horsepower on it. But I'm going to test this 95 horsepower for maybe a week or two and see how it reacts to it. And yes, but that was because of fluid. That separator thing I got out there, it let a little fluid get over that compressor. That compressor, it can't compress fluid. So it kills it immediately. It's protected. And that's why that happens. So, oh no. And you know, my grip. I didn't know
I'm all right.
That's Lisa Neal. She's black.
It only gets better, doesn't it?
You bet. He had to stay home with our sick doggy.
Sick dog, huh?
Where are they?
I can learn fast. Last time I was on a four-wheeler, I ran it into a cedar tree.
I'll take you on the back.
There's an old cemetery down that road that goes down there that different families buried in, and graves go back to the 1800s.
All right, we might go down there. You'll have to show me how to fire it up.
Wait, don't turn it on yet. Don't turn it on yet.
It's on. That's Clint, my son. And Orlando, Roland's daughter.
My dad has to help me.
Uncle James. And daughter Sandy. And Kenneth.
Oh, I guess it's because of the shade.
Margaret's son. Kenneth. Uncle James. A different angle. Make sure this ain't Margaret.
Like baked beans. Brandon, we got this house to swim at a lot.
Trip?
Okay, I'm Trip Langley, and I'm Alice Tiller Langley and Frank Langley's son.
Thank you.
I'm TJ Taylor. I'm the son of Bill Wade.
All right.
I'm Mark
Tiller. I'm the son of Albert and Tina Tiller. And this is my niece Haley, and she is the daughter of Brent and Christy Tiller.
Thank you, guys. And y'all all live here around here? All right.
She lives in Marshall.
In Marshall, all right. Josh. Tiller. Who are your folks?
Bill and Lang Tiller.
All right, thank you. And that's Bill Tiller, his father, and Elaine, his mother. Hey.
It is a bad situation.
Lavella.
Oh,
Say something
now I don't
good.
have anything to say.
Now that's a shocker.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is.
We've already heard you've been in Austin. Yes. I had a terrible because we need to know, it's important.
Jimmy's wife and Rick's fiance. This is Jimmy's son Rick and Karen.
They weren't invited. They didn't know they were there.
That's someone that you don't know.
So I told her.
I was only there for 10 minutes.
Jimmy Tiller's son.
So where was your job?
All right.
I'm Brian Call, Becky's son.
Introduce your wife.
Lillian's daughter. And I'm Jackie Call, Brian's wife.
Great.
I'm Sunny, I'm Mark's girlfriend.
And you're Mark.
Becky's son and Elaine's grandson.
Great. Who's that? Oh, Eddie. And Winnie. Hey. That's Carl Neal's son and his wife Winnie. This is Alice and her family. Frank, Trip, and Alexa. Okay.
I'll take you and your family.
All right, thank you.
Jimmy ever ever show up?
Here's Albert Tiller, better known as Bo, and his lovely wife Tina. Tina. Tina.
Hi! It's the year 2000, and this is the way we're celebrating.
Amen.
Which two houses did you build?
There's Sue. Now Michelle.
Yeah.
Shannon done, you think?
Yeah.
One right there.
Hey. Mark, speak to me. How are you?
Good.
Good. How's everything in Austin?
We're busy.
Where's Sherry?
She went to follow Travis.
Oh, okay.
Lauren, are you done? You want to get
Savannah, do you remember me?
There's Savannah and Lauren.
I didn't know whether you remember. It's been a long time since I've seen you.
Putting off in a big fan.
Wait for me, Tara.
Wait.
I am taking a picture of you.
Let me tell you this.
Close
Let me tell you
and
this.
personal.
Come up close. Hello. Come up close. Come up closer. Yeah, I want to get you good.
All right.
And then mash it again.
What's your last name? What's your last name? Oh my God. Because my last name was Tiller. It was the craziest experience. And then I ended up doing some work for Charles when I was in college.
Jimmy's daughter.
Administrative work for him in my store.
All of our folks from
It's
Georgia
still
and
the
Alabama,
craziest story.
North Carolina.
It started before their time.
When we were in Williamsburg one time, you got a medal though. You know,
I get to Birmingham.
Way too young.
Y'all still like it?
Martha.
I was gonna say they probably get on there pretty close.
You'll catch it.
Wayne, y'all better look over this way. You're on candid camera.
I'll act nice and
Just act natural.
just act natural.
This is Carl's
They didn't know who wanted to get one. They
and
wanted to
Eddie's
get
new
one.
treehouse creation that they are constructing. Grandkid friendly. Looks like somebody's up there taking advantage of it too. Hi.
There is kind of a
Thank you.
you barely see it.
Just hit the red button.
What you got here, Grandma? How you doing? I know that. You know, he was the one down there. He's already checked me out.
Howdy.
Yeah, one married, got one fixing to get married. No kids.
That's my daughter over there. That's my son.
Well, when? When was the last time we had it? Were you here last time? No, no grandpa yet. I'm hoping to put that off. But carbonation was sheriff, and he wasn't going to. But everybody tells me when you have a thing, you're worthless. It was on Ricky's ship. Hi, come here. It's cooler today. It was 100. What do you think about it?
Sure they can see her eat.
That's not
That gets
corn. That gets hot down here. This is halfway dry. That is covered right now. You're close enough to the ocean. It's burning this thing. Where's your son?
He's in Utah.
That's after I left.
He was in LA last week, and this week he's in Utah. He'll be back the 1st of August.
This is
They were down
over there.
I think temperatures.
It'll be a warm early this week.
Don't say that too loud.
Well, Brian was talking to me.
Now, does he go with them during the season?
Okay. All the sheep. Okay.
What you got?
I saw Whitney last night.
Previous.
Oh yeah, that's okay. That's a good grandpa right there. Hey, that's Uncle Eric. Oh.
And now you have to and now they're about 35.
You can wave bye-bye though. How much you got here on?
Hold up. All right.
That's her. She's pouting.
Thank you.
She'll pout and she'll just sit there.
Read it, okay?
Louder.
Louder.
Louder,
The Tiller family. We honor those in the Tiller family that have gone on before us. We honor Mama and Papa for starting this family. M-A-T-R-I-A-R-C-H. How you pronounce it? Matriarch. We honor her for always gathering everyone together on her front porch, and we all gather together today. Uncle Eric, we honor Uncle Eric for always returning home once a year, as some of us do. Aunt May, we have homemade ice cream today in honor of Aunt May, who made ice cream in her refrigerator freezer using pure cream. Aunt Bebby, Aunt Vera, we have her party punch today, honoring her as always being an excellent hostess. Aunt Alice, today we have Aunt Alice's blackberry pie, honoring the way she always wanted to contribute something when any of us gathered. Grady, we honor Grady for always giving us good advice and being an all-around generous and good guy. Carol, who like Grady, was taken from us too young. We also honor the outlaws that have gone before us. Uncle Ed, for his sincere kindness and for putting up with all the gatherings on his front porch. For Aunt Lucy, for her cooperation in helping Eric make the trip home once a year. For Uncle Grady, for seeing it and that so many of us became teachers. Uncle Gilbert, for all the family pictures he left us. Uncle Clarence, for his spiritual leadership. For Uncle Foy, for his love of Tiller Road. For Aunt Frances, the most famous outlaw, we always knew her when she entered the room, and she never hesitated to put the tellers in their place. We all loved her. I think it's too fun, be it riding horses, swimming in his pond, or jumping on a trampoline. Uncle James for always making us laugh due to his teasing and kidding. He never forgets those embarrassing stories about ourselves and is always quick to retell them. For Aunt Margaret, for all the times she cooked us for famous cornbread, purple hull peas, tomato relish, fried pies, pig preserves, and most of all for her love of the family. For Aunt Lillian for picking up where Aunt T left off by having family gatherings and by making everyone feel like they have an important part to play in the extended family. Now, I know some of you have said you brought something you wanted to add to this. Who was it? Doris?
I want to say something.
Okay, Lynn.
About my mother. Started giving background. She was a teacher in 1923. She had 3 sons and 1 daughter, and the extended family now includes 10 grandchildren and 15 grandchildren, great-grandchildren. The most important thing about my mother is she married Grady Sherbert, and that greatly upgraded the Tiller family.
a job where he had to get up in the mornings. One time he had a job that he had to get up in the mornings. And she got up early to fix him breakfast. And she was talking about that one time. I said, well, why don't you get up a little later and fix it and let him eat breakfast right before he goes to work? Well, no, he has to have breakfast at a certain time. I said, well, if I'm fixing it, he'd eat it when I fixed it. Yeah. He said, Alice, that's the difference in being a tiller and being married to her.
She's writing something. She didn't have it finished, but she's writing about her experiences always coming every summer from Georgia. She would come by herself, and she loved her aunts and uncles and
Oh yeah, we'll find you when we get ready. Go ahead and start.
I'm trying to figure it out.
This is grandmother's house. Grandmother Sugars.
do one of each.
Okay. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Out here. Yeah, I feel like this is like the house. Fancy Ray Baker's house. With the mother on the front porch holding the baby, what is it? In that video.
This is the same couch where I used to court. And one of my very first dates was with Billy Steptoe. And Billy came and picked me up, and a mouse ran across the floor. He and I both jumped on those, staying on the couch. Yeah, let's go look in here. Yeah. This was the dining room. This was the table that I was skating on.
Restored it completely.
That's what I
And
told
those
my
are your
mom.
pictures, Clint, if you want.
She restored if I invite back because I don't want to use it, you know. Where's in my house?
What are they?
These were prints by Quentin Martin, and he was a superintendent of schools here when I was in school, and a friend of the family. Thank you. Thank you. That's the one that is like mine, that I've been trying to get you to keep.
Who owns that one?
She got all the furniture in the house. Someday when Bonnie's here, I'm going to get those pictures of these because they belong to me. We weren't going to let anybody here because this is where she put all her junk. Piled all the stuff. used to have our friends and we'd sleep on those bunks. It was a lot of fun. And this was the background. See what's down this way.
And this hallway always.
And this is where I did all my printing, was right there.
Is there a light in here?
There we
That's the same toilet cover seat.
go. Yeah, I'll put that
Oh
on
goodness.
there.
Huh?
I'll put that on there. Yeah, put it back. Not very clean. Yeah.
What's in there, Mom? Mom, what's in that closet?
Just
They haven't
Jump.
done much update on that.
Is this grandmother's room? My mother and Papa's room.
Goes for that again.
This was up before the SL newspaper. Well, you little guys would always take your showers. It looks like they haven't finished that one yet.
A shower? What?
They're renovating the area. Clint, come look.
Yeah, it's just a hole in
Mm-hmm. They found a arrowhead this big down there.
Really?
Tricia, this used to be our house. This area used to be a Pueblo Indian burial ground all up in here. And they have found all kind of Indian relics and stuff.
One in your backyard, the burial ground?
Yeah, right back there with the tree, not here, but way back yonder.
This is my favorite.
But I planted those.
Yeah.
Mommy, have a kiss? Mommy, have a kiss? No. Okay.
Lots of good memories.
Silly.
These are from me. We used to get those in those little guns.
Silly. You're teasing.